Number 7. El Chaltén. Tucked within Los Glaciares National Park, El Chaltén is a dream destination for hikers. Towering above the town is Mount Fitz Roy, one of the most photographed peaks in Patagonia. The hike to Laguna de los Tres is about 22 kilometers, which offers breathtaking views of Fitz Roy reflected in a pristine lake. Another must-do is the Laguna Torre trek, which takes you to the base of the dramatic Cerro Torre. The best hiking conditions are in the warm season, from late spring to early autumn.